Well, hello guys. You're probably... Ah! Oh my gosh, my light almost fell. Okay, now. So you're probably wondering, why is there a mess behind me? Oh my gosh, I'm embarrassed because I never really have a mess in my room. Anyways, I'm gonna be moving out to college, so that's why I have this whole mess here. I'm packing stuff, so wish me luck. Also, I'm gonna be buying pretty soon, so you'll also see me buying school materials and just like decoration stuff. Also, if you're new to this channel, go subscribe. It's right here. Is it right here? Yeah, it's right here. Also, leave a comment and like. Follow me on Instagram, and let's go on to the video. Okay, so I don't want you guys to be bored with just like a montage of me literally packing. So I'm also gonna be doing a back to school haul right here in the same video. And so I wanted to show you guys what I got for back to school. So here we go. So the first thing I'm gonna show you guys is this invisible tape that I got. It was the cheapest one, and I bought it before and it works really good, so I got tape. Another thing that I decided to get, because you know, decoration for your college dorm or apartment, I got a vase. And with the vase I also got fake flowers. These are the first ones that I got. The other ones are the rose, this rose, and these what are they called? They look like baby breath, but I don't think that's the name. It says gypso stem. I don't know what that is. Yeah, it's a gypso stem, but it looks like a baby's breath or baby breath. Another thing that I got is this 32 gigabyte flash drive, because I needed a lot. I need a lot of flash drives for YouTube, obviously, because my computer is like full and I need to put some videos in here that I've already recorded, so that it's easier for me, and you know, I could also use it for school. Another thing that I got are these markers, Expo markers. They're all in black because I don't really need any other color. I just need black. And then I also got Sharpies because I needed to write on my boxes like the things, or if I should be careful with it because it's fragile, whatever's inside. So that's why I got Sharpies, and I also got it for like normal school use. Another thing that I got are these command damage free hanging things, because I want to hang posters, I want to hang pictures on the wall. Another thing that me and my sister got are these. Oh, by the way, my sister and I are gonna be living together in an apartment in college, so we got this together. We got these smart Wi-Fi LED strip lights. You basically have an app on your phone where you can connect to the lights, I guess, and then you can change colors. You basically can say how you want the lights to go, or like what color you want it to be. And I think it's really cute. Even though I already bought the ones I have here, I'm still gonna take them, because you know, if this doesn't cover the whole room, then I can just use mine too, and we could have lights. And I thought this was really cool. This was like $20, which isn't really bad. Mine were like $8, but they were way shorter than this. So, I mean, it's up to you. You can choose whatever you want. But yeah, they were selling this for back to school, so I would recommend getting these. Another thing that I got was clothes, because you know, we got to get ready. I decided to get some clothes from Ross because you know, we don't have that much money. We cannot be spending too much. I already spent so much money during summer for just clothes. So I decided to go to a really cheap place where they sell clothes for a really cheap price. I'm gonna show you guys right now. So I got this shirt. I don't like it anymore. I tried it on. It didn't look cute, so I'm definitely gonna return this. But this was only $12.99. It's a pretty good price for like a shirt. I thought it was cute when I saw it, but then when I tried it on, I didn't like it as much. Also, it didn't even fit correctly on this area, because it was you can see that the buttons were like almost trying to open, you know what I mean? So I decided to return this shirt. Also, like the fitting rooms are closed, so you can't really try much, which is sad, but like I get why they're doing this, so I'm not gonna complain about it. Lately, I don't know, I've been into like really girly stuff, which is weird because I barely have any like girly kind of clothes. But like I went to Ross and I saw this shirt and I'm like, oh my gosh, I need to get it, it's so cute. But then I tried it on. Guess what? It didn't fit me either. It was like here, it was all the way here, so it fit me on the waist but not here, so I could not wear this. So for this shirt, I'm either gonna return it or I'm gonna give it to my little sister. If it fits her, if it looks good on her, I'm gonna give it to her. If anything, I'll just return it because why not? This was like $5.99. For the next clothing item, you could say I thrifted it because a friend basically sold it to me and she had already like used this. It's kind of thrifted, but whatever. It's this turtleneck. I'm just getting ready for summer. I mean, for winter already. So I'm not gonna be using this anymore, so I'm just gonna pack it. Okay, so I finally found one of the shirts that I got from Ross, but I already washed because I know I'm keeping the shirt. This was $6.99, this shirt that I'm gonna show you guys. It's this cute little shirt with butterflies and it's so cute. I've been seeing this a lot, like shirts with butterflies, and I just think this is super cute. Like I'm definitely gonna be wearing this a lot in summer, which probably won't last that much in here, but still we're gonna have summer here. And yes, I'm gonna be wearing this shirt a lot. I'm not gonna pack this yet because I can still use it when I'm at home. This is another shirt I'm not packing because I still can use it. So for this turtleneck that I showed you guys, I'm gonna be packing this since it's not winter yet. Also, I'm doing this video mostly because I'm trying to distract myself from finishing the drama that I'm really enjoying right now, because I started it on Friday and I don't want to end it so fast. And today is like Sunday. So I started on Friday. No, I started it on Thursday. I started the drama on Thursday, so I don't want to finish it right now. So this is my way of distracting myself and actually getting work done, because you know I'm about to move and I still haven't packed much. So yeah, I'm trying to do this as soon as possible because I only have 2 weeks and this should be packed pretty soon. Okay, so I finally found the other shirt that I got from Ross. This shirt was either $5.99 or $6.99. Pretty cheap, right? I found this in Ross. This is like a white shirt with black flowers. I think it's really cute. It also cinches on the side. I have seen this type of this style of shirt a lot, so I wanted to try it myself. I mean, why not? I feel like Ross has been bringing better looking clothes or more acceptable looking clothes right now compared to the past few years, because let me tell you, I haven't been in Ross for like years now, or like a year, yeah. I haven't been in Ross for like a year because they weren't bringing stuff that I would actually buy. So this time I was actually impressed and I was like, wow, they're actually improving. Like they're bringing stuff that I actually like right now. And mind this, I'm always changing my style because I can never find a style that fits me completely. So I'm always like taking stuff from different styles, okay? Because I can never pick an aesthetic or anything. So if I like it, I'll buy it, unless I'm broke. Yeah, like right now, kind of broke. Okay, we came to the shirt that I'm in love with. Okay, they're all white. So okay, the other shirt that I showed you guys that I bought in Ross was actually $5.99 and this one is $6.99. So now I'm clear about the price. So I got this off the shoulder top. It's so cute and I've never had one of these, so I was really excited to buy it, and I'm definitely gonna be using this a lot. But for now I'm gonna pack this one because I can't keep too much clothes. I'm just gonna keep enough for like 2 weeks, even though I'm not really gonna be going out every single day. But everything else will be packed in another suitcase where it's like accessible, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna look for a box so that I can start packing stuff, and I'm gonna do a little montage so you guys can see. Don't mind the mess, because there's obviously a mess because I'm moving out and I need to take out stuff. Okay, so this is the pile of mess that I already made. I'm gonna be putting these in boxes. Also, if you don't bring a foam mattress on top don't even know what this is called, but whatever. If you don't bring a foam thing for your bed in college, your back is gonna suffer. So I think this is definitely a must for college. So everyone should be having a foam thing for their mattress, okay? This is like a little tip for you guys who are going to college right now. As a freshman, I'm a junior right now in college, which is weird because I literally remember when I was a freshman not too long ago, and it's crazy how time has passed so fast and I'm already a junior. Like, how is that even possible? I don't even know. But anyways, years go by fast and I'm a junior. Okay, I didn't think this video was gonna take this long, so I'm gonna divide this into 2 videos, and that means that you'll have an extra video this week, and I'll be uploading normally like on Thursdays, so you'll be seeing another video on Thursday. And yeah, come back for part 2. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to see more like this, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram, and I will see ya. Bye.